Hey guys, what's up? And today we're playing Roblox. We're playing SharkBite. Yay! Okay, let's join. Load faster! Okay, we're joining in. Oh no! Oh no! We're gonna turn down the volume. Welcome to SharkBite, where you try to survive but probably die. Whoa! Snowflakes are falling. Snowflakes are falling into the building. Lift me up. My feet are coming out. Ah, jump, 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 jump. Look at all that snow. No. Ah, I fell through. Click an item to buy unlimited breath. Boat stereo. Let's watch the sharky shark. Whoa. Wait, what? No way. What the heck? Where do you get that? I'm gonna need that megalodon. This is so cool. Megalodon. Let's look at our armory, shall we? Okay, equip that. Sharks. Oh. Okay. I need to pick my boat. Banana. SWAT boat. Those are new. Oh. Oh. Something. It just lagged. Hovercraft. We gotta like. Okay. I think now I pick it. Oh, chest chase. A little chest of shark teeth will be dropped. I'm not taking chances with this cave. Let's go to the cave. Okay, pick my boat. No. I want to pick this boat. I'm gonna invite everybody. Everybody invite us. Everybody invite us. Invite everybody. Everybody should be invited. Close the store. Wait. I haven't spawned in my boat. I'm driving. Hey. Yeah, I'm driving. Hey, let me drive. This is not your boat. No. Oh no. It's the Santa shark. Let's go, guys. What? We can't go. Okay, you drive. Gotta go. Boom! Alright. Where are you, sharky shark? Where are you? This goes so fast. Whoa, is that Santa's sleigh? That's Santa's sleigh! Shoot it! Those rockets aren't gonna make it. Oh my gosh, it's Santa's sleigh! Santa, I want everything for Christmas. He took damage. Shoot him! Okay. Let's see if we can actually find the Santa Slayer. Look at that pirate ship. Look at the destroyer. Wait, let's see that. And let's see the hovercraft. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! The destroyer. Where's the shark? Oh, the shark! We can do this, guys! We just have to believe! Just believe! And, oh no! Don't crash! The Santa! The Santa, dude! The Santa! Gotta get up close and personal to that shark. Oh, whoa, 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 right there! No, go back! Go back! Oh yeah, that's just a trap. That's just trap. Don't go there. It's just a trap. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Don't go there. Don't go there. Sonny, don't go there. Look, the shark is coming. The shark is coming. Okay, we go wait. We go wait for our partner. No! It flipped! Our boat has flipped! Our boat has flipped! I don't want to die! I don't want to die! Ah, we're stranded! We can still go! Oh, there's a submarine! No! We're not gonna make it out alive! Shoot the boat! We're not gonna make it, and I know we're not gonna make it because we're gonna die. We flipped it back up. We're leaving you. I'm sorry. Okay, just put my rocket away. Keep on driving. There's a submarine! Go, 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 go. I see the shark. Wait, is that the shark? Where's the shark? We're not... Yes, we made it! We made it! We made it! Oh. Wait, what? It's been killed? Oh yeah, I survived. Do 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 do. Okay, let's see. Merry Christmas from Abracadabra. Enjoy the exclusive Christmas sled. I didn't get it. Oh, okay. Here, I wanna drive this. Hand's gone. He's dead. Oh, give me this. Give me this. No! It's rubber. I'm on. Oh, that's so cool. No, I want to go on. Yeah. We have to go back on the hoverboat. Go back on the hoverboat. Invite everybody. Invite everybody. Look, we already got a person. Yay. Now let's just... I just want one more person to get on. Yes! Yes, 4 people! That's the best it has ever been! Oh! Time's up! Robert Donkey, Robert... His arm fell off. Huh. Hey, guys! No! No, don't leave me! Don't leave me! That's my boat! That's my boat! No! 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 They left me! They left me! I'm sorry! Oh, he's gonna kill me first! Oh, no, 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 I want to live! Wait. No, he's coming. He's coming to me! Where's my floaty? I thought I saw him. Where is he? I have a rocket, and I'm not afraid to use it. The floaty's gone. No. Somebody save me! Ah! It's the shark! Get away from me! That's right. Where is it? Where'd it go? Oh God, this is not good. I'm sorry. Oh, it's nighttime. That's great. Okay, to stay here, I have infinite amount of an air bubble. Nobody died yet, but I'm gonna be the first person to die. I don't want to be fish meat. Yes, there's no. Okay. Keep an eye out. Just stay here. I'm just gonna stay here. I'm scared, help! Okay, no need to be. You're a man, and you can't fail. Actually, you can fail, so 2 people died! I will not die today, sir. Wait, are you coming to me? Oh no, he's getting close to me. He's getting so close to me. I can feel it. Shoot him down. I don't want to die today, not today. Yes, there's a ducky boat right there. I'm coming. No, he's right there. He's right there. Oh God, he's coming for me. I fish meat. I fish meat. I fish meat. No, I'm not fish meat. Wait, no. Wait, where's he going? He went underwater. Okay, I'm so scared right now. I can make it. No. The shark. Wait, not the shark. That's not the shark. 2 people are dead. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I'm a pirate. Pirates don't die. They are alive. Only 42 more seconds. Our matey. We have to get this boat up or we die and we don't win. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. We almost flipped it. It's like, hi, no, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, time's up. We win. Go back to your cave and die. He's been killed even though he hasn't been killed. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.